played through a Mark bass SA450. It's set flat. All the controls are at 0. Preamp and gain both very low for sake of hopefully a good sound on the iPhone. The bass is set flat to both pickups in neutral position, volume and tone on full. And again, being that it was custom made for Chris Squire, the jacks are reversed in that the stereo jack's the front rather than the back one. And the back one, of course, is where you'd separate it out to have the Rickenbacker sound effects. So this is the middle position. So we're just going to change the EQ on the bass amp just to add a little bit of top and bottom to the variable filter that exists on the Mark bass, which I'm sure you probably know about. Just going to bring it up to about halfway, still leaving the rest of the amp flat, still in the neutral position.